What one babe? Yeah, when I work at school, come here. Come talk to me. When you go back to school? She learn at school?
Of course she didn't learn.
Stop ramping now. You teach that you?
No.
When you go back at school?
No.
You don't know it? You get on book list? More check what it here. Because boy, they are work every day. You give me that trouble?
Yeah.
You get trouble?
You must tell the truth.
You get trouble?
Yeah. But I would never get trouble.
Right,
Yeah,
so.
But I'm plugging.
You plug in your phone and everything there?
No?
Or you just play the phone though?
Yeah.
Alright, look for me. Look for me now. So if me went there, I say that give me trouble too? Eh? What do you think? Who that to what walk in the yard? Who that walk in the yard? Check on the veranda. One look out the veranda and say what then? Is nobody out there? Then down up to the veranda. Go on to you all and look out there. You can't open it. Alright, strong it, because you can't manage. Try push again. Alright.
What is this?
I come here to see my mother.
Good day.
Good day.
You come to see your mother?
Yes.
Well, I think you have a wrong address, you know. You sure say you come to see your mother?
Yes.
A one woman live as my woman, you know. And a one picking up, seeing picking that where mother name? You know your mother name?
No.
Kawa. How come you come look for your mother and your mother? Who direct you up here?
One lady out there, so.
She sure say you see your mother there?
Yes.
Alright, so if you see your mother, you don't recognize her, right?
Yes.
You're 100% sure?
Yes.
I'm going to call my woman, because my woman know everybody around her, because she love to kill with a woman, every woman link, right?
Yes.
Yes, come here, I look at a young girl, I come look for your mother and can't find your mother.
May that come?
Yeah, man. She a good woman. Find out she a virgin.
See my mother, yeah.
What?
Me your mother? Yes.
How come? Talk to me now.
Me.
She are your mother?
Yes.
How come? She see her daughter, yeah?
Yeah, I want to me
I
out.
want finish, she have. When I meet her, she a virgin, you know. So she couldn't have no pitney unless she did do something. And she not married.
I remember that because my auntie always show me her picture from time to time.
Babe.
What your auntie? Me and your mother?
Give us a tune now. You sure say your mother?
Yes.
Babes, come clean. If it cannot resemble you, you're not even brown alike, you know.
Are you like other one too?
No, me no know. Me a ask, me no. You don't think it's girl, you liar?
No.
You ever tell a lie?
No.
Normal a lie?
Never tell a lie.
She say I am my rough door. So, are you getting you?
But they tell us I have a pitney?
No, if you're a virgin.
When they get me, I have a pitney?
Listen, you tell me I was a virgin and... Alright. We're going to get done. We're going to get... Babes, I know that I've tell you some things in the past. Remember I told you that I don't get no kids. Me have 14 pitney I want place. So, if I want pitney I have, it's nothing to me. Me feel say pitney smart, you know. You know, cause you not see me, you know, but me I see it in you.
14 pitney?
Yeah. But I told you that I never get none because I know some, when man tell you say they get pitney now, you go wild and run up on them because I was trying to come back in the days, you know. 14 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Me never come no further from 10 go to 14. And she 15. That's why I that try to call her 15.
So you try to call her 15 no?
Yeah, I'm try to name her 15. But different from that though. Are you mad at you?
Yes.
What are you going to do? If you sure say you pitney, you do a DNA. If you pitney, tell me truth now. Did you live a pitney in the country?
No.
Because remember when I'm back, you know, me they tell you say you look like somebody you have a 6 month baby, but you still say a virgin and me believe you. But me is a youth like that. So me get 15 pitney. Me know say when I want to start pitney all this to look. Tell me the truth, come clean.
You come clean, me I come clean. Me have a pitney for me, I live here, I live in my country, live for a country.
You know how she look? So maybe that's why you don't know so you pitney. So you don't know.
Me know how my pitney look.
You know how you pitney look? And she
You
this?
are.
Is it she this? Look on under a family reunion in live and live in color. I say can you look?
Me get photos of your daughter this, we are, me and her auntie are in contact.
So are she this?
Show yourself.
You don't go on. You're not hungry?
No.
Come here, take my bag, your man, come
You
in.
better come inside. We can trash out this here. You are sure?
Leia, get up.
Get up and tell them for the ground. Take them up.
Get
Put
up
them up.
there.
Take your time going. Take your time.
Are you? Where you have 14 pitney?
The one there, one foot. We shake him a while ago.
Leia, get up.
Get up and take them for the ground. I have things to do. I have to go back and walk, you know. I have to send money to give it to them. Know that? We know.
Yeah, send money to the pitney.
I have to send money to give them. That's me. We have to work so hard. And you have to your one pitney and left your one pitney. Why rough? But everything good though. I understand why I can do it still.
Me dey 11-year-old.
Yeah, but
I was 11 years old.
then I need to talk about it. You sit down and talk.
Me and you need to sit down and talk about you a 14 pitney. I want you my 115.
Well, at least we can count.
At least I can count. You know, 15.
Alright, Leah! Come here! Come here, Leah! Come here! You have to look if you understand. You have to make a big up. Listen me now. At first, I tell you a lie, saying no sister. You have sister and brother for days. What me say you have?
Sister and brother for days.
Yeah, you have one for them.
You come on a little thing, yeah?
Your father a breeder. Thank you, Jack. I know waste time on earth. Alright, what a day, what a
It's not going to
day.
come out, okay?
That's why I feel like a marriage show. The camera there, we have a camera. We can't be selling for in your country. Come here, young lady, come talk to me.
So mommy, tell me the truth. Why you give me up?
Boy, you know, if you tell the truth, I never have a choice. The man who I breed for, in Canada, they want pickpocket man, robber. But from the liquor and bad, I never hear my parents talk to me and so off. One breed me and same time I go pick somebody pocket and rob somebody and end up in a jail. So I never have no choice but to live you over your auntie yard. I the only one go there to get a better life. But when I want to come back for you now, your auntie they never want long by. So I keep in touch with you. That's why I look one time for my boyfriend out there say, if you know me, I tell you to put up in eyes. So I know you.
So you're happy with your other daughter?
Because my boyfriend now, I'm a hard-working man. You understand? In mind, you know, like the other one, we breed when me 11-year-old and run with God. So no matter feel say me do, me left you because I want to leave you, or because I have no heart, or because I have no choice but to leave you. So that's all alone you want to ask me? Just that you want to know?
Yes.
I don't have no choice. But I'm glad that you come find me and things too. So how your auntie?
She alright, also.
You sure them good done there?
Yeah.
Well, a long time in a country neither, you know. Long time in a country.
Well, don't they get boring and nobody don't there. So. That's why she said me come find you.
Don't they no bad?
No?
Well, I'm glad that you grew up. You're a nice, fine young lady and so off still. I'm glad that you come find me. So you hungry?
No?
You eat? You sure you eat?
Yeah.
You don't want to know?
No.
Alright, then my daughter.
Yeah. Take up some more of them there. You use by make a count. More you know how to count, right? Count now. Count them as give them. Count them.
1,
Alright?
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Alright?
4,
Mm-hmm.
5,
Yeah.
6,
Yeah.
7, 7, 8,
Alright, but you can't go on. Go on.
9,
Alive.
10,
Alive.
11,
Alive.
12,
Alive.
13,
Alive.
14,
Mm-hmm.
16,
No, you're gone bad.
17,
Alive.
18,
Alive.
19, making them done.
Go on next one again.
3,
20.
more
No,
than-
go 20 now. 20, go 20.
20,
20. But you can't.
4,
Yeah.
no, 6,
Yeah, you're learning at school now.
7,
Yeah, learn. 22.
8,
But you can't for a while again. You know that? I go. Where you want? I go buy you something. No, I go buy you something. Okay, you count for a while. Where you want?
Skittles.
You want one Skittles?
Yes.
Can you spell Skittles? You spell Skittles, I buy your bicycle. Spell Skittles.
1,
Yeah, if you spell Skittles, I buy you a bicycle.
1, 2, 3.
No, Skittles, can you spell it?
No, I don't know.
Alright, when you can spell Skittles, I buy you a bicycle. Alright?
When name?
That good? Look at you, come. I'm gonna get the Skittles though. But when you never spell it, I buy you a bicycle. Come, look for me. Alright. Now you know sister go talk to your mother. In her room. Tell her to teach you to count to 30 now. I want you to go to 30. So good day.
Okay.
What is your name?
Amelia.
Amelia. Alright. So you and your mother discussed a while ago.
Yes.
So where you come here? Come look your mother and go back up or you come to stay?
Come to stay.
You know, say me don't know if you're born lucky. But we just say we go get a one somebody to come stay the baby, you know. Because more she go work too. Because me have to work. And the country gone a one place because the oil price I beat everything bad, so everything gone up. So if I work and she work, it add up.
Yes.
You understand? To know that you come down here, you can go and stay that little baby till it's big enough, you can go work too. You love work?
Yeah.
What kind of work you doing up so?
Well, I really do not work, you know.
So you love work and now work? You liar?
No, but
Like you plan to tell lie, can we just meet you and it's big old lie. You say you love work and you know work. Eh? I'm mad at you, mad me. You see it? Alright. You love man.
no.
How much man you have?
I have none.
Yes.
No, I know man.
That you don't love man. That's why you don't have none. You see it? You love work?
Me like working my own, you know.
Yes, so how much work you have for your own.
Me not have no work.
So you like you don't have none. It makes sense? If you say you love something, you must have it. Piece of land on the back of your yard, you know. I have everything here. If since you say you love work, I'm going to make you take care of the baby and just learn how to farm. You like farming?
No.
Why not? Alright, good. Go to 40 now. You not like farming?
No.
You eat cassava?
No.
You eat yam?
Yes.
You like yam?
Yes.
You know where yam come from?
Grown.
No, you don't come from ground. Can't come from a hole. You have to dig, go down in there and plant it down there. And when it grow, you dig, go back down the hole and take it out. You understand? So, if you want yam, you go farm yam. This is how we grow up kids to be independent. You like work for your own, right?
Yes.
So you go plant what you eat and eat what you plant. Oh, my son.
So, alright.
You're welcome here. You come from a good time, you will have to pay on babysitter. I send the baby going on daycare. Because I know daycare, you know. Again, you know, it's their care. You laugh though. You love laugh?
Yes.
Eh? Why do you love laugh so? You happy?
Yes.
You better up on the two sides?
You look so.
I know see nothing for you if you laugh, boy.
Daddy was trying to 30. He's trying to 30.
Oh, you laugh so too? You better go to two sides? She's a new sister. Go say hello to her.
No.
You feel her? Eh? Go talk to her new sister. Are you little sister, you know? You feel love her? Take care. She go take care of you. Come, go talk to your sister. You know her name? Tell her to me on exchange name.
Name Amelia.
Nice meeting you. Tell her. Oh, go up for your sister. Oh, go for your sister. Yeah. You know a big happy family. You know what I'm sister doing, you know? Yeah, man. Miracles work in wonderful way. If I never walk for that sister, you don't have him. You think I easy walk for that look pick it up in here, come here? I will walk a mountain and valley and hills I have to climb and ensure I go for make it turn. You know, reach out your head. See my gear things then. Kind. This a girl that kind, I see him kind. Where am I gear there? By the way. You get it? Come here. Where do you want to gear? You get it? Because you are going to be too kind and laugh, you know. You're not giving money to me. What do you do with it? You buy something with it? Mm-hmm. You love spend money too much. You just like your mother. Where your mother there? Alright. So go on to your mother. Go on to your mother. So here we know. You go there. And I go put a what? How much?
13.
You are 13. Let I tell you something. Them say chick not far from black. And me a one stepfather. We're pitting around with. What me say?
Yeah, one stepfather we're pitting around.
Look like you can remember things though. So I want you to remember this. Not one young boy coming here. You see, all your friends from country, bring them come here for long as a female them. Not care one boy come here. Because if your mother breed when she at 11 and you catch 13 and missy. Oh, you missy? Because I know if you are already down to you, you want to pick it up.
No.
Better make sure you there, any breed not going in here, and me I did the breeding. You know, where girl? Girl, call your mother. Go for your mother. Tell your mother to come. Go for your mother, tell her come. I feel good today. I solve one case. I don't spend no money on that. And look, I plan to go hire somebody now. When somebody come, I will come down. No, me and her talk. I'm like, how she come down now. She can say, Leah, when you go look up. Because I pick up in a maga like she. I saw the maga, you know, ask him, baby, you put on a weight carry every day, so eat out the whole look at dividends, so I can come here. So now you can't go work here now, you go stay Leah. They like milk and cheese, you go walk feet now.
No answer you know? No answer you.
Well, you don't have to answer me because the truth is truth. Silent is content. That's where you go.
Because I'm going to look you know I'm going to look.
No,
I know I'm not going to look now. Okay, they don't confirm man to go look.
don't call yourself man because you're not a man. I would never do that with a man. So, yes, you know, say man. None of you are no man. The whole of you are a woman. You no look alike. I look at food you want. Because she baby born and it's still smaller than you when you start eat food. Because you don't love eat food. I see you know, you don't love eat food. You know. What if I'm morning? What if I'm morning? I don't buy food. It's porridge. You look at porridge and I don't know. You eat enough?
No.
That's good. I like that. Can have money for that. When the mother start to start eating enough. Alright, so anyway. Glad to see happy family. I go take a rest. You know what I mean? See you in the morning. I have some sleep on early because late now going for the night shift.
Come show your room, yeah?
Show your room, make you find something to do. Make sure you wake up here that she come.
Wake up to see her that she come. Come on here. On your chair, here.
Make her show that car. Yeah, I'm not going to. No.
Yeah.
So your bed big, most
Yeah.
comfortable. You will sleep right on here, so. You want to sleep with her? No, you're not going to by reach midnight to get up on it. Well, go for your bag them, and you can get sick clean and so off.
Yeah.
If you're hungry, tell me, no. No, but actually just me and you go on, like you're not hungry, you're hungry, no. You hear me say?
Yeah.
Come here. You want them a cat back here? What? No, they can't get that. They can't. Watch your Lord Jesus Christ. Call up me a chicken in my pot. So they sit near fast, you have to see a shot. Fire me the chicken bono. What a thing run and in there tonight. Can I make me chicken bono?
I remember what we kind of with just one day off, kind of say.
Well, I girl, my daughter will come here confused, mister.
What should I know?
She in her room, you know.
Alright, we talk to her tomorrow and later. You see that picture here? She on an icicle or popsicle down the car. Let me say nothing though. You ever know? She's your bigger sister, you must have manners to her. What you do wrong? You jump on the bed? Hear me, I say no. Apologize to picking her.
I'm sorry.
You apologize to jump on her bed.
I'm sorry to jump on your bed.
Uno shake on her now and hug up on her sister. Hug up on her.
No.
What I say? Don't go for belt, you know. Hug up on her.
No.
Show us some love. Show us some love. Show us some love. Yeah, man, a friend again. He's a sister. She love you. Alright, so you know, go and chill out yourself. Where you plan to go now? Where you have on there? But what you have on this year so do? You swear mark? You're a bad girl. You're 21?
No, I just fashion.
Fashion. I want to tell you, say, yes, it's not the place for it, you know. You see them holy thing where you have on, this is not the place for it, right? Once you have so much holy, you start go church. You hear me? Because I don't like the holy and then go to the holy. Anyway, from what day you take care of the baby, have a little change you. A little change you, because them boy have big pocket and put in them trousers. You know what I mean? A little change you. What this here? Take yourself by some bag juice or something. And something, know yourself. And then you live here, you not pay rent, you not pay light bill, you not buy food. You live free. Take care of your sister and part of you, part of your life. So when Christmas comes, I go give you a piece of money for yourself. Go on $5,000 bill when the year done. It's a $5,000 there, you can buy anything. You want clothes, you can buy clothes and live down here at the silver. She swallow it. Hello! Leave the silver alone. You don't know say no spend silver, I'm saying paper money. What do you? Your sister big money, you can't travel silver, you have picked me up travel silver, you swallow it. Alright? Alright, so you're good to home?
Yeah.
Alright, the devil on your front too. Behave yourself, you know.
Alright.
So on, you don't play Chinese. You don't know what I'm clap it on here, you know? You don't play?
Yeah.
Teach how to play. Play with her. Where you go? Sit down. When I was a little child as a girl, play this again. When you play to another. You know. Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? When you can't, what? When you sing with it, Missy. Jacking in the treetop all the day long. Rapping and popping and singing the song. Tickle the key. Continue. Wanna continue? That's all now. Wanna continue? Wanna continue?
Amelia! Amelia!
Who that? How that?
Good evening.
Evelyn.
Amelia, did you?
Me know say I call Amelia. Me know say me not Amelia. Me give you look for me so. Me know name Amelia. Me name Fire. What you mean? Say different from that door. Where you want Amelia for?
Me and a friend, I come look for her.
So you know say she's there. Who get direction? Anyway, you there still. That's what me look. Rampant people. Hey man, do some more call her. Seriously, don't move.
Yeah.
Call her. Oh, where you go? Me say me go step back outside. Step back outside. Cause you now know common courtesy. You can't barge and people outside. You think I'm in a runner so? I'm in a runner and I'm in a runner so. No disrespect, but wait. When me call her and she come. Alright? Help me. Help me! Alright. Now she's after her. Hello. One friend outside to you. Why you carry people? Come. None of me are letting friends. Come tell us something now. You see, if you carry a friend in here and she thief ice mint out here, you go find ice mint factory and build back ice mint can come here. Let you buy me now, you buy back, you can't buy back the same one. But me say you go do, you go make it back. So you see any friend you have there, you take around them. Anywhere they go, you take around them. You don't put on them backbone. So then, when me say, if them thief are that bull bomber, you and your mother go buy back one case. Go carefully. Because we don't want to people on the road, right? I walk say you don't turn like a she not take a friend come here, you know. Alright now. A while ago, I say one thing to you. I didn't tell the full paragraph. So I go girl go touch her it. She may be afraid to tell you. But the yard here, no normal. Anything you see here,
Make you stay here.
look like an official criminal now. Take time go through. Take time go through. Yeah, me push one two. One. Not taking here.
It's a girl. But one nice man down the road.
Yeah.
Boy want to carry me go out. No say want to carry me go to Margarita and there. All those things. You don't want to hear him.
What you say? What must I go down here?
And it's
Eh?
see how we girl.
Who was that about man here? Hello. So that so you a man you just get come on. Come, take a time, come on. A man you just come on. Hello. Don't care come back here. I swear you have a bad shirt. Come. You go back to the man, and tell the man next time you don't have no news come here. You have no news carrier. Come, here you come. I don't want to pull in that man business, you know. Come.
Daddy, that's your friend. That's your friend. That's my friend.
May I hear?
I want to back in the room.
Hello?
Girl, how are you?
Then I lay na walk a go up.
Sorry about how my stepfather created, you know.
Yeah,
Because I have to set him up like how I set up him and them down, so.
that is it.
Alright, later may I talk.
Alright.
Yeah. Evening.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
I'm sorry.
No, miss me. Miss me? What happened now?
You know someone down here or something?
But what happened?
I used that work that them money that started the half.
No. Start it day off.
No go work again.
So I make you dog a work.
Sister.
I forgot to talk to him about it. No, ask me.
Mama, come here.
I'm tired right now, you know.
What am I feeling? What am I? What? What going on? What going on? Am I lucky?
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
Good morning.
It's good evening now, honey.
Good.
So how you know they at work?
Oh, you know what I'm saying? I call long day. I'm telling you, I need a
Oh.
vacation. Because I'm tired. I've been working for 5 years, you know. I go to
Just
So
for
let's start
mine, you
work.
know. I bet that's
No, I'm not
just for
stopping.
mine. You got more places.
I'm 2 week break. You know what I mean? Rest my back. So you know, see, I come clean the 9 times, say, boy, I can't go 1 hour and this and that and whatever. And now you want to sleep every night and now.
Yeah, because I'm tired and I'm coming in. I'll try to play a stroke.
You know, so I'm not so good for the cleaning, you know.
That not say bed to clean up.
This is look at me and, hey girl, when has the bed from? Why can I have the bed and my mother talking about bed?
I look at the sheet leave the on the bed.
Well, don't be done.
Mama, what's the game?
Must have been a housewife, you know.
Mama, play a game. Mama, play a game.
You have to be also have to clean up the
More
place.
play place than
I'll play a game.
Rest.
I
You're
just-
there for a man.
I just make
You're
it
there
up.
for the way. You must swear they are for a man.
This a pick me up. Me have to follow up and down. I be a trouble, I be a problem. You tell her to go on to
Who?
your daughter tell her go on to
No, she not tell me nothing.
nice.
one friend come and today come pick up and I tell her list her out one list of man where she have and where she go get and what she
Yeah,
can't
what
get
you-
and what she can't have and one bag of
Get
list
man
in
away.
front of the baby and the baby come tell me. Me grew and me say the friend out. Because the friend come and a man plan she come with. Like I want book with a man and a teacher about man this and man that, man up, man down, man all
What
around.
kind of money how people come and contract about?
She only just did that tell me.
Ah, you just see it so.
Hi.
So she find my man down the road and say more carry more.
Listen here. You know that you come back up to me. I don't want no man in here and I don't want to go to road and hear say there's a with man. If you see there's Y, Z, you don't want to say there with Tom, Rat, Jerry, and Slim, you don't want to hear none of that. At school, if you look back, figure you know. No hear nothing about no man, you hear me tell her?
Yes.
Smile for me. Smile like your mother say it to you. If she's smiling at you, then you know, this lad.
I want to name out.
My friend come pushing it a while ago.
I want to name out.
When you left, you never been there for the friend come see her in there. You know one friend.
Smile again.
So like your mother say it to you. Alright. Same blast.
Who tell us you can put that name out?
I just fashion me do it back.
Fashion I do what for?
And I want clients, you see them at time, you know, so you can't come up back. You see my Rick? Rick?
Are you there make them do it?
By the time we go in, there was a Rick, let them there. Then don't say that, now they can't come up and now you have to go have the door surgery to put out that and all. So, if I feel him out, if you want to put I like him,
Like it food?
you liking him out?
Yes.
You liking him out?
Yeah.
Say the last thing. She liking him out.
What's your car?
Yeah, mother well I reason. Go be your sister.
Go and go be there.
Let us take care of you. So much work.
Why? I don't even know you. So you depend your phone say as family come here?
You know, say, it's a new job me I try look. Yeah man, cause when I work still, do they give me 2 weeks off, once we pay more. Once I can put aside the money so I can buy you a new wedding band. Cause I really want to marry you when I didn't pay. I've been a good woman. Although you're lying on backside.
Who like you?
Me never know if you have no.
Me never know, but here no.
Me never know if you have no
Me
virgin.
have one. Me have one, and you have 14. So what?
When I ask
where
him,
can I get so much
when I ask him, say, me don't pick me. Me kind of say, I'm just hold your mouth and talk. But you never ask me, I say 4. But I'm 14. You know, so me have 4 pitney.
Me don't know say I have 4 pitney.
That means anybody listen me, when I look at them.
Me never
you
know.
Say a virgin though. That's a big lie.
Me never tell us say me a virgin. Me tell us say I am something of a virgin.
Oh, you like, oh.
Half a virgin. Me never tell you no, say me a virgin. Me never before. Me just tell you something half a virgin. I am something half a virgin.
And I never tell you fully, but I'm something half a breeder. So I get 1 new total, you maybe I can get 12 more. I don't know.
12 more out of who? I know me a talk.
Next time, 4 pitney 1 time.
You know come take them.
Come no 1 pitney I go.
Well 15, you have 15 pitney.
And
What more you want?
most of them are like double. And then
So
twin them.
a 15.
Yeah. But I take 2 more man because you don't see.
So let me ask you one question. Where you turn and get so much pitney?
Well, I never turn one place, you know. But I work for one juice shop. So you know I go. Every place we tap and sell a juice and get a girl a free juice, she give me something. And if she give me something, come in and something, if I come in and something, it brings something, and it brings something, you know I go. And then them pop up. But it good still. What am I name though? Because I always tell my full name.
You don't get done when May is there.
No man, no. I never have a time. Because your business is a good business and it take long to angle your business. And we done with your business, I have no business for myself.
Anyway, you go and talk a few more, you know. 2 meters right now, show me and go straight to my bed.
Alright, go on.
Straight to my bed.
If I'm going to join you, drop it soon.
Nah, drop no soap for you today.
And so we get look at baby, I shall call her over.
That's why me nah drop none, because me drop you already and a baby, me nah drop you again.
I'm so forward in there.
So, how do you like the place?
It's alright, you know. Yeah, go on.
Sure, a comfortable place. And listen me. People know me here, you talk about man, don't make no friend pull you know what I'm coming to me. If we talk about that, you know, call the man, I want to be coming and then running and let you. I said, when I go through already, you may tell her?
Yeah.
I hope you're that ears down now, and if you fly through one and go back to the other one now. I make no friend tell about no man. And I see some black stuff for your skin. I buy something for you on your room, on a room. I go for you and come back. I'll be able to see that. So come back.
Drop bro. What's up? You must not be there. I don't see it.
One look good. 60 chain.
Maybe a chain. Maybe the chain are sitting there, man. The chain was here sitting there. Not there. The sleeve, not there.
Where are you going?
What is the breast?
Oh, I'm going
to the breast. I'm to the breast a while ago. Me to the breast?
Yes.
What here, so? What happened?
She called me here, so unless it's not bad to the breast. Oh, she called me.
You touch her breast?
No, her neck, she had to listen upon her neck and scratch her.
You just talking about how I have
Yo, I can't manage it.
I don't know who to believe in her.
You may say. To me, animal. Can me animal son go test them? Tell me and them go test them.
So even if you go test them, you go find breast for them?
You go find some pharmaceutical and add down trust, you go picnic breast. Don't tell me them.